Morning folks, here we are with the next instalment of the Hymek project. This morning I've been busy with the staples. And yes, actual staples. I've been adding some finer details to the end of the cab. I've added the rails and windscreen wipers. They are literally just ends of paper clips, ends of staples painted black, super glued on very carefully with tweezers, and that's just a straightened stapler and two ends there. Done the same on the other side. Absolute nightmare to hit, very fiddly, but there enough. It's not 100% perfect, but it cost me bugger all, and it just brings the look of the model a bit closer to modern standards. I've also picked out the axle covers in yellow. I did the little red marker dots that they have, and I've attempted to add a representation of the fuel gauge there, but it's just red paint, same as the yellow marking for the fuel filler cap. There's one on the other side as well, but it's getting there now. It's really coming through. I've also done a bit of weathering on the grille there. As you can see now, it's more akin to how it would be in real life, dirty. I've also coloured the steps in. The steps on the body were just green, same as the moulding. That side there was always black because that's the clip. On the prototype, obviously they're both black, so it's just looking a bit more modern, if you will. And again, all these modifications cost me literally nothing to make, and it just, from viewing distance, it looks absolutely fine. I think the next step now is I'm just waiting for the Stay Alive to arrive, and once that does arrive, I'll fit it. And there we go. Right folks, just a quick update today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.